he's not the father, I want Antoine to come back home and leave that all alone.
What are you doing?
So what do you think? You think she's ruined his life?
Yes, he had it made. He
Yeah,
was well taken care of. He didn't need for nothing.
Maybe you didn't want your son to be out in the world on his own.
She's a hoe.
You already
There's
know
no
this is his
way.
baby.
That's my
And when it's his, and when he presents his baby, you don't know. And if you're going to be a grandma, you're going to
Say
be
hi.
If you not,
Hi.
so be it.
No, and I'm not until we prove today that that's my grandchild.
We're going to prove to that baby. Believe that.
We're gonna prove today.
Say mama. Mama. Say mama. Hey, say mama. You're so funny. Say mama right now. Say it right now. Hey, hey, Luna. Can I see your teeth? Let me see your teeth. Oh, you got pretty teeth. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see them. Smile. Let me see your teeth. Let me see your top teeth. Let me see. Hold on real quick. Wow. Okay. Give it to me. Give me the camera.